Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speed up tricks on Google Pixel 10. Okay, so let's open up our settings first, and we can begin with opening up the developer settings and a few things that we can change in them to get some free speed. To open them up, we need to click on About Phone in the settings, and now we need to find the build number. It's right in here on the bottom. We need to tap on it a few times. If you have a screen lock, you also need to type your password, and now we can see on the bottom that we are a developer right now. Now open up the system, scroll down, and in here we have the developer options. Okay, and in here we need to find 4 specific options that we need to change, and thanks to that we will be able to gain some speed, and our device might work a little bit faster. I just need to find them. Sometimes it takes a while. Here are the first 3. It's the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. You can see that all of those 3 options are currently set on 1x, and that's the default value. But to gain some free speed, we can completely turn the animations off or set them on 0.5. But don't go higher than 1x because it will only slow your device. For me, 0.5 is like a perfect balance between 1x and off. So I like that value. Keep selected on all 3, or turn them or select them on off. Everything is of course up to you. In my case, I will set it on 0.5. Now let's scroll down a little until we find the apps, and in here we have the background process limit. Currently it's set on the standard, but to improve the performance a little, we can set it on at most 3 or at most 4. One of those 2 options. It's up to you. Okay, that's all in the developer options. And now we can, while we are still on the system, we can open up the software updates. And it's always good to check, do we have the latest version of our software? So let's click on System Update. In my case, everything is up to date, so I don't need to download any updates. But if you have that possibility, you can also manually click on Check for Update to see if there's something to download. If you have a update possible to download, do this ASAP. Okay, so everything is fine in here. We can also click for the Google Play update to see do we use the latest version, and also our device is up to date. Same thing, of course, with the app updates. In here, you'll be able to see can we update the apps. If you have that possibility, you can update them. Okay. Next thing is the storage. It's in the normal settings also. If you have that possibility, you can click on Free App Space. And in here, simply, if you have, for example, the apps that you are not using, but remember that some of those apps are the system apps, so don't turn them off or anything like that, because something bad might happen. Also, it is easier, for example, to manually from the gallery to delete some of the images that are taking your storage space, because remember that if you have more storage space, your device will work faster. Same thing, of course, with the apps, but in my opinion, it's better to manually find them in this list if you have any that you have downloaded. If you want to uninstall the app, simply hold on it, and now click on the app info, and in here we'll be able to download, to uninstall the app. In my case, I cannot. For example, for the YouTube isn't available for uninstalling because it's the system app. Also, in some of the apps, we can we can delete the storage and cache. Simply click on that and click on Clear Cache. For example, for YouTube, it's currently 0, but maybe in other app like maybe the Chrome, it will be available. Don't worry, deleting the cache won't delete your data, so don't worry. That are basically some junk files that are stuck. We can click on Clear Cache, and now it has been deleted. And thanks to that, our device might work faster. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your data. Okay, also, when you are using your phone for a longer period of time, there is a huge chance that you have a lot of apps opened in the recent apps, and basically those apps are still opened but in the background, but they are taking your RAM. To release the RAM, thanks to that our device will work a little bit better. Simply close the apps that you are not currently using, simply slide to the upside, and thanks to that we have released and freed up some RAM. Also, let me check one thing. In the settings, it should be under the battery. But I think this mode isn't available. Yeah. Okay, so not that. And also, if you want, you can download some third-party cleaning apps for your device from the Play Store. Simply type cleaning or cleaner, and you'll have a whole list of apps that can help to delete, for example, the junk files from your device, clear the cache, and that kind of stuff. But remember that before downloading anything, it's worth to read some reviews about the app before downloading something. Okay, and as a last thing, I'll show you how to perform a simple reboot of your device, because sometimes a simple reboot can help with all of your problems that are connected with the speed of the device. I mean, reboot can help when your device works slowly, or for example when it's lagging, because during the reboot the phone rests, we can say it in that way. Also it clears, it frees up the RAM also, and thanks to that our device might work a little bit faster. To perform a simple reboot we need to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and volume up. And now all you need to do is to simply tap on the restart. Now as you can see, the screen turned off, and within a few seconds the device will be turned on automatically and it will be ready to use. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.